Planning a trip with multiple stops just got a whole lot easier with Google Maps. First, open your Google Maps app or go to maps.google.com on your browser. Enter your starting point and then your final destination. As usual, once your initial route is generated, you'll see an option to add destination. Tap or click on that Add Destination button. Now, a new search bar will appear, allowing you to add your first extra stop. Start typing the name or address of your first interim destination. As you type, Google Maps will suggest relevant places. Select the correct one from the list. You'll immediately see your route update to include this new stop. Notice that a new Add Destination button appears below your list of current stops. You can repeat this process to add as many stops as you need. Simply tap Add Destination and enter your next location. You can also rearrange the order of your stops by clicking and dragging the handle icon next to each destination in the list on the left side of the screen. This is perfect for optimizing your trip to hit all your spots in the most efficient order. And there you have it. You've successfully created a multi-destination route in Google Maps, making your travels more efficient and helping you discover more along the way. Happy navigating.